stranded with leftover foreign currency on your Thomas Cook Forex card? No worries, this video will show you how to get that money back into your bank account fast. First, head over to the Thomas Cook website and log into your Forex card account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, find the Transfer Funds or Redeem Funds option. It's usually located in the Card Management section. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This includes the account holder's name, account number, bank name, and IFSC code. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delays. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be aware of any minimum transfer amounts and potential transfer fees. Thomas Cook may charge a small fee for this service, so review that information carefully. Confirm all the details and submit your transfer request. You might need to enter a one-time password OTP sent to your registered mobile number for security purposes. The transfer time can vary, but it usually takes between 2 to 5 business days for the funds to reflect in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement. And that's it. You've successfully transferred funds from your Thomas Cook Forex card to your bank account. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more travel tips.